Hey everyone, welcome back to Joe Chef TV. Today we're making a quick and delicious dish called 제육볶음. This stir-fried pork is super simple to prepare, using just a few ready available ingredients. With tender pork marinated in gochugaru, soy sauce, and garlic, along with fresh vegetables, you can whip this up in no time. It's perfect for a fast weeknight dinner that's full of flavor. Let's dive right in. 2 tablespoons of chili powder, some chili peppers, 2 spoons of soy sauce, 1 plum sauce, cooking wine, last but not least, gochujang. Always put gochujang at the end because it's so sticky it will get all over your spoon. That's it. Now you mix it up. Let it brine for 30 minutes and you can start grilling or you can start stir frying.
Joe Chef.